Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve a linear equation which is number 5. Already we have solved 1, 2, 3, 4 number in last videos. Let's start. Here is 3 fraction. We have to find out the value of x. So first a divide x minus a plus b divide x minus b equals to this fraction we can make like a divide x minus a minus b plus b divide x minus a minus b. Now we will transfer something left and right side. First one, a divide x minus a, and this one we will transfer in here, a divide x minus a minus b equals to b divide x minus a minus b minus this one we will transfer to right side, b divide x minus b. Okay, it means similar numerator we will keep same side, a b b. Okay, now we will make LCM. So here is x minus a times x minus a minus b. Okay, now look, we will write here a times x minus a minus b minus a x minus a equals to similar x minus b x minus a minus b is a LCM. So b times x minus b minus b x minus a minus b. Okay, now look, so ax minus a square minus ab, then minus ax plus a square divide x minus a times x minus a minus b equals to bx minus b square minus bx minus plus ab plus b square, right? Divide x minus b times x minus a minus b. Okay, now we have to deduct something. Here is plus ax minus ax out, minus a square plus a square out, plus bx minus bx out, minus b square plus b square out. So here a minus ab divide x minus a and x minus a minus b, okay, equals to here is ab and divide x minus b x minus a minus b. Now look, two things we have to omit, like here is x minus a minus b, here is also x minus a minus b, here is ab, here is ab. So we need to multiply both sides, like if we multiply here x minus a minus b divide ab, similar if we multiply here x minus a minus b divide ab, just think, so this ab and x minus a minus b and this one out, so we will get minus 1 x minus a equals to 1 x minus b. So here we can write x minus a minus b divide ab multiply both sides, right? So we will turn our page. So here is minus 1 divide x minus a equals to 1 by x minus b. So we can make cross multiplication. So x minus a equals to minus x minus b. So we can write cross multiply. Okay, now look, here is x minus a and here is minus x plus b. So x plus x and here a plus b, right? And then 2x equals to a plus b. So once we divide both sides by 2, x equals to a plus b divide 2. We can write divide both sides by 2. So this is our answer, which is a plus b divide 2. So these types of linear equation is very important for competitive examination, especially IGCSE, CBCSE, CSE grade 10, and also it's very important for SET. Okay, so thank you very much being with me. This is very important math for examination, entrance examination. So you have to try at home, because once you do more practice, examination will be very easy. Thank you very much.